Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the 3-tiered display collaboration hosted by Joan Brodie and Bum Bee DIYs. Now this is where you get a 3-tier tray. It doesn't matter what style. It can be farmhouse, it can be glam, or it could be one that you made yourself. And that's what I'm going to be working with. I actually made this about 2 weeks ago. I was watching a video by Cheryl's Country Home, and I'll leave a link to her channel, along with, of course, Joan and Bum Bee. She showed how to make this 3-tier tray from dishes. And I didn't really have any dishes that I wanted, because once you do this, I mean, this is it. So I went to Goodwill. I found just what I wanted, and it worked out great. I found exactly what I was looking for, and I've made it. And the reason I wanted this little 3-tier tray and not one, I can't find a small one. And as you can see, our little coffee table is real small because it's a vintage chicken coop that Mike actually made feet for it to bring it up to make it into the right height of a coffee table. And that's why, and all the other trays are really too big. So that's why I wanted this tray. And now I'm going to show you how I want to decorate it. I have got a lot of, not a lot, this is all I got, of the little Annalie dolls. And I think they are so adorable. I just absolutely love them. I got to get me some more. Well, I do have a few more, but I got them, they're patriotic, and they're in my patriotic tree. I'm using them as little ornaments in that. But I did want to use these, and I wanted to sort of like group them together, and I wanted it for the coffee table. So that's how I'm going to do it. And the first thing, and I got me just some flowers. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm actually going to be doing it backwards, so I'm going to have to just turn it when I get through. As you can see, like I said, I'm doing it a little bit backwards from me, but this is to sort of let you see what I'm doing. I absolutely love these dolls. They are so cute. All right. Now, this one's looking that way. Oh yeah. Well, it looks like I'm dropping flowers everywhere. Whoops. Yeah. And last, this is actually going to be, hopefully, pretty fast. These little dolls, they are just so adorable. And as I do the finishing touches, I just want to thank Joan and Brodie for making this an open collaboration. This was something I have been wanting to do since I made the tray, and I just kept putting it off. And when I seen this collab, it was like, okay, now let's get her done. And that's what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to their channels, and along with Cheryl's channel, in case you would like to see how she put this together. Now hers is, I need to say this, hers is just a little bit different. Because she used a cup and saucer at the top, but I really wanted it for these dolls, and I'd rather have the bowl, so that's why I did that. But like, that's just a personal choice there, so it's whatever you would want it to be. Now, I'm not gluing anything down as far as the flowers or anything like that. I'm just going to sort of lay them down, and one just landed inside the chicken coop. I'm going to have to get it out. Here we go. I know what you're thinking. I'm a very weird person to have a chicken coop for a coffee table. But it's just what I like. And Mike was willing to add legs to it and do it, so got it done. Okay. I'm actually going to turn this when I get through. I'm going to turn it to where it will be facing this other way. Everything will be. But for filming purposes, I just want you to see. I'm going to put these like this. Let me get up. Let me see if that's the way I want it to look. wasn't thinking. I am going to just slowly turn this so you can see it all the way around. I think you could, but I'm just going to make sure. Okay. I think that looks good. Once again, I just want to thank Joan and Brodie for making this a open challenge. I hope everyone's enjoyed and hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.